Roofman.
He's the man.
The Roofman.
Call 844 for the man.
Roofman.
So this was a roof we put on, I believe, September of 2021. So it's been on about 6 months, been through one winter. Pretty complex roof, I guess, as far as the average roof would go. 4 or 5 valleys and a bunch of hips. Best way to vent your hip roofs, if take you to the back here, is going to be with your box vents. Main reason being that usually on a lot of hip roofs there's not enough ridge to put a ridge vent in to get adequate ventilation intake from the bottom versus flow through the top of the roof. 2 new skylights were installed on this roof as well. This is a Atlas Pinnacle Pristine Majestic Shake is the color. Pretty nice color, one of my favorite colors. Walk you over here to the valley, kind of show you what we do in the valleys versus what a lot of other companies will do. This is a traditional or a cut valley. Other style you'll see more common now is called a California valley, where they'll just lay a diagonal shingle here in the valley. We like the cut style because it allows everything to flow freely as far as water and snow, ice, things like that. It allows it to drain out of the bottom of the valley into the gutter. With the California valley, a lot of times what you'll have with the diagonal shingle here is you'll get things catch, little things like this piece of grass you can see here in the middle of the valley. That catches, another one catches, more catch on over time. What you can get is buildup of water and ice, things that flow back underneath the shingles, and which can then create leaks inside your home. A lot of cap feet on this roof. Standard, nothing too complex other than your valleys and your hips. Pretty standard chimney, just step flashing, no saw cut or anything on the brick over here with the chimney. Obviously just step flash underneath each one of your shingles, making sure it flows onto the shingle. Below it, onto the part of the shingle you don't see, the non-exposure part of the shingle. So other than that, that's pretty much it on this one.
Roofman.
He's the man.
The Roofman.
Call 844 for the man.
Roofman.